let us solve this first problem. So which is if f of 1 is 1 and f dash of 1 is equal to 3, then the derivative of this, okay, you got to find the derivative of this at x is equal to 1. Okay, so let us solve this problem. So let us solve this problem. What we have is there is a y is equal to uh, f of okay. So let us this is the function, right? So let us solve this problem. Okay. Now first is differentiating this, and then again this, and then this. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to uh, f dash of f of f of x. Okay. So close the brackets, and now let us differentiate this. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Let us differentiate this. So that will be f dash of f of x, right? Again, this function, okay? So which is f dash of x, right? And then this term, that is 2 into f of x, okay? Function of this, and f dash of this, right? So this is the first thing we are supposed to do. Now we have been given in the question itself when x is equal to 1. So let us substitute it. So f dash of f of 1, okay? So into f dash of f of 1, okay? Dash of 1 plus 2 into f of 1 into f dash of 1, okay? So that is equal to, so this is now f of 1 and f dash of 1 is given, which is 1, and then this is 3. So let us substitute it. So that is, so this is f of 1 again, this being 1, okay? So this is 1 again. So this is f dash of 1. So this is f dash 1, right? Plus 2 f of 1 and f dash of 1. Okay, now let us substitute everything which we have. So this is f dash of f of 1 is 1, okay? F dash of 1, and this is f dash of 1 and 2 into f of 1 and f dash of 1. Now let us substitute all these, okay? So that is, let us substitute it. So let us substitute all the values which you have. That is this f dash of 1, which is 3, and this is 3 again, and 3 plus 2 into 1 into 3, right? So this is 3 cube, which is 27, and this is 6. So which results 33. So this is the required result. Now let us look at the second problem, which is y is equal to y of x being the solution of the curve, that is of the differential equation, right? And satisfies y of 0 as 1. So, and also we got to solve that this curve intersects the x-axis at a point whose abscissa is, right? So we have the choices. Let us see what is the best choice here. Now, this was our problem, and which will be satisfying y of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is not of the proper form, which is supposed to be dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. Okay, so which is a linear differential equation. Okay, so let us first try to write in this form. So taking dy by dx on the right hand side, so you get y square minus x um, is equal to dy by dx. Okay, and let us rearrange this in this form. Okay, so so dx by dy. Okay, so dx by dy plus x is equal to y square, right? Now, now we got in this form p of y is equal to 1 and q of y is equal to y square. So first thing is you got to find what is the integrating factor over here. Okay, so which is e to the power of p of y into dy, which is dy alone, which is e to the power of y. Now let us substitute it. Any doubts? Please ask. So, so we got integrating factor, which is e to the power of y. So our solution will be x into the integrating factor, which is e to the power of y, which is equal to integral y square into e to the power of y into dy. Now, further, let us uh, find this, right? So y square, so integrating this, so which is y square minus uh, 2y, and this is plus 2 into e to the power of y plus c. Okay, this is x into e to the power of y. Now, taking e to the power of y on the right hand side, so this cancels out. So you get x is equal to y square minus 2y plus 2 plus c into e to the power of minus y. Now for x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, we have been given y of 0, which is equal to 1, right? So let us substitute it. So 0, this is 1, and this is minus 2, and this is plus 2, and this is c into e to the power of minus 1. Okay, so these gets cancelled, and then this implies c is equal to minus e. Okay, we got c. Now, in the question, it was asked since the curve intersects at x-axis. So when you say that on the x-axis, so y will be 0 in the curve which is intersecting at x-axis. So if I draw a real line, so here x and y coordinates, okay, so intersects somewhere here. So on the x-axis, so you got to find what is x by substituting y as 0. So when you substitute y as 0 in this, so you get x is equal to, this is 0 plus 2, and this is c, which is minus e, and this will be e to the power of 0, which is 1. Okay, so x will be 2 minus e. So this is the required solution. Now let us look at another problem, that is y is equal to y of x be the solution of this. Okay, which is satisfying y of 0 is equal to 0, then y of 1 is equal to, right? So let us solve this. So let us solve this given differential equation which is given. Now we have to form this again in the form of dy by dx, right? Plus, now this will be p of x into y is equal to q of x. So this we got to do this. Okay. So now if you look at multiply this whole thing, so this is e to the power of y and e to the power of x. Now, so I got here dy by dx has coefficient as e to the power of y. So I have to write in this form, right? So let us substitute e to the power of y as e to the power of t. Okay, sorry, as t. Okay, so that becomes easier. So when you differentiate this with respect to uh, x, so this becomes e to the power of y into dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. So your equation becomes, now if you look at this, so this is dt by dx, right, minus t is equal to e to the power of x. So this is the required uh, differential equation, okay, of the form. So p of x will be 1 when you compare to this, and q of x will be e to the power of x. Now let us solve this. Find the integrating factor. So let us move further solving this. So we found that p will be -1 and q is e to the power of x. So integrating factor will be e to the power of uh, this is integral dx, and this is minus. So this is e to the power of minus x. So so t into e to the power of minus x, that is the integrating factor, is equal to integral e to the power of x into e to the power of minus x dx plus c. So this is dx, right? So integration of dx will be x, and this is c. And now this will be t. I'll get back the same function, which is t, which is e to the power of t, which we have taken as e to the power of y. Let us substitute this. So e to the power of y, and this is e to the power of minus x. So y minus x is equal to x plus c. Okay. So now to get the value of c, let us substitute. We have given a y of 0 is equal to 0. So x will be 0 and y will be 0. So this will be 0, e to the power of 0, and this is 0 plus c, or c is equal to 1. So this whole thing becomes e to the power of y minus x is equal to x plus 1, right? So further, let us solve. Any doubts? Please ask. So now we got e to the power of minus e to the power of y minus x is equal to x plus 1. Now taking logarithms on both sides, so you get y minus x is equal to log of x plus 1, right? Now at x is equal to 1, now we got to find when x is equal to 1. So y of 1, since it is a function of x, so y is a function of x, So y of 1 is 1. Uh, this is 1. Okay. Plus log 2 to the base e. So this is the required result. Please ask if you have any doubts. Please see the working. This. Now let us look at another problem. Considering two set, you have A and B. So which of the following is not true? Let us see this. Okay. So I've been given this set which is A, right? Now this set A, and we have given as M belongs to R, which is real numbers, and you have this quadratic equation, right? So these roots are also real. Okay, so we got this. So now this is in the form of which is f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, right? So which is equal to 0, right? So since we have this real roots, then let us consider b square minus 4ac, which is greater than 0, right? So now you have the coefficient here. A is 1 and b is minus of m plus 1 and c is m plus 4. So let us substitute this. So this will be m plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a, which is 1, and c, which is m plus 4, right? So greater than 0, right? So if you look at this, okay, so this will be when solving this, you get m minus 5 and m plus 3, uh, which is greater than 0. So further, so while looking into this, so m minus 5, which is greater than 0, and m plus 3, which is greater than 0, or m is greater than 5, and m is greater than minus 3. So um, we got this here. And also b, which is minus 3 comma 5, right? So now in the option which is a union b, so this belongs to which is not true.